Hi ladies, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo, and I'm sharing with us today how to attach a strap to your Toiletry Pochette 26. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo, and how are you guys? I am great, thank you for asking. I am so happy to be here today. It's a good day. So I have been wearing my Toiletry Pochette 26. It's the limited edition from the Escal collection. I think it's pronounced Escal. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. No idea. And I've carried it as a clutch, but I think because it's white, I've been a little nervous that I would get it dirty. I mean, it wipes off, but you know what I mean. So a little nervous. Plus, it's also quite a big chunky size, so I figured, yeah, I can definitely go crossbody on this. So I did my research, I looked at some YouTube videos, and I found out how to attach a strap. Genius. So guys, welcome to my channel here. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the support, the comments, the love, all of that stuff. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new, stick around, watch my videos, listen to me ramble on and on and on and on and on. And if you like me, I hope you do, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can know when I'm posting videos. Definitely hit the like button. Also leave a comment. All that stuff helps with the algorithm because YouTube algorithm, what can I say? It is what it is. So focus, Neo, focus. So I watched some videos. I actually discovered a great YouTuber, Soph777. I think that's how you say it. Her video is the one that was like, I gotta do this, I have to do this, I've got to do it now. So thank you, girl, and I will link her video down below or up here or something. I saw her video and I was like, oh, that's how you do it. Okay, now I know. So there's actually a couple of ways of how to put a chain strap on your pochette, and I think it works for other bags as well. And it all really comes down to the kind of strap that you get. So yeah, so this $8.99 on Amazon. If I can remember where, I'll link it down below. But really, this is just a cheap chain from Amazon. I did make sure that I got one where it kind of lays flat. It kinks a little bit here and there. It tends to twist a little bit here and there, but for the most part it works just fine. And I will put a picture of myself using it here. Yeah, so the simplest way, it really comes down to the strap, and you want the two-headed strap. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's called, but it's the kind of strap that has, hold on. Oh, Jesus. It's the kind of strap that has hooks on both ends, and I believe this is like a lobster claw clasp or something, but it has two hooks, as you can see there, right? And so you are able to pin them together. You are able to pin them together, and then you have to go underneath the zipper here. So if you go underneath the zipper there and you pin the two together, once you close it, you don't need a D-ring because I forgot the part where you're supposed to clip them together. Yeah, it's that kind of day. I could edit that out. Yeah, you pin them together, and then once you zip it up and close it, so you can see here that it is going through the zipper. So once you do that, voila, you can carry it like that. Now, I did carry it like this a little bit. I don't put a lot of stuff in mine to begin with, but I did carry it like that a little bit. But I have to admit, I didn't like this, what I consider a stress point on the fabric. I was afraid it would do something to the chain itself or do something to here. Don't ask me what, I don't know. But either way, So even though I wore it like that once or twice, and then I thought, let me do the next step, which is an insert. Now, I looked for a navy blue insert because the interior of this is navy blue. What is that? Oh, it's a chain. The interior is navy blue. There's my little booklet in there. But these things are sold out like crazy. I was going to buy it on Samorga because I think they have the best reputation for bag inserts, but I wasn't going to get it until like September. So I looked on Amazon and I couldn't find navy blue. I wasn't going to get it until like the end of September. So I ended up just buying a gray one, which I was able to get within like a week or so. So I thought that was great. It's felt. It was advertised as being for TP26, but it looks a little short to me. But yeah, whatever. I wish it was like maybe an extra inch taller or half an inch taller, but it does fulfill the purposes. And what I liked about this one, and I've got I used it last night. I've got a perfume sample and a lipstick in there, so I'll take those out. But it has 2 pockets here, and then it has one big pocket there. And for me, you know, I have my wallet that I can put in here, my cell phone in those pockets, a lipstick, whatever, good to go. I've seen some that had like external pocket, and I'm like, ugh. Really, I wanted something I could get quickly. Maybe if I use this a lot and start to see some different functionality, I'll get a new one, but I'm very happy with this one. It was about $25, and I will link it. If I can find the seller, I'll link it down below. So now, this is where I think again, this was what was on Soph777's video, and it is really cool. I'm trying to sort out the chain. Because the trick is to buy the insert with the holes in it. And I liked this one because it's silver. So there were a couple that I could have gotten, but the metallics were gold. And since I was buying this specifically, oh God, there was a couple I could have bought, but the metallics were gold. And since I was buying this one specifically for this clutch, I wanted to stick with silver. Okay, I'm fighting here. So that's what I'm saying. It will tangle a little bit, so I've got to bring it all the way around. And then insert it. Oh, wait. Now this is where you have to be careful how you insert it, because I want to clip it through here. But I also need it to go underneath here, because that's what makes it stay within the bag. So through the zipper pocket there, and then clip it onto, and then clip it at that point onto the pochette, onto the insert. Okay, so it's on the insert, so should be, I'm hoping, less pressure on the zipper and that there. So through here, clipped on in there, zip it up, and there you go. Perfect. Less pressure on here, because now the insert is what's taking the weight of the strap, and just there you go. I thought it was genius. I'm really glad I got that. My insert will just stay in here. I don't have I don't have another TP26 or 19 or whatever, so it will continue to just live in here like this. I'm hoping it will help me keep the piece pristine, and yeah, that's it. Isn't that a useful trick? I'm really glad I found that, and I wanted to share it in case you've been looking, or in case you just don't know, like I didn't know, right? We learn. That's how we learn. So guys, thanks so much for watching. This is AhhhSoNeo. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, choose happiness. Just remember, it's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. Regardless of what's going on around you, you get to choose how you feel. I find that so empowering. I hope you do too.